In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Uber Eats ID verification issue. First thing you want to do is make sure your ID name matches with your Uber Eats account name. This is one of the most common reasons for failure. Next thing you want to do is check your ID photo quality. Ensure that your ID photo is clear, well lit, not blurry, and fully visible. Next, you want to take a proper selfie. You may need to submit a selfie verification. For that, make sure your face is fully visible, not covered or obstructed. Next, you want to fix the account name issues. For that, head over to your profile, then contact the customer support to change any information over there. Next, you want to check ID validity. Ensure that your ID is not expired or still valid. Then, you want to complete the periodic verification. Uber Eats may require identity checks every 14 days. If not completed, you cannot go online until verified. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.